us now.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala, hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.
Iyak ha? I love you, Dee.
Kung dumating ang araw na di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking muka, mahal wag kang mag-alala, tanda naman ng
looking forward to this day that we'll be united together as husband and wife. Thank you for all the support and sacrifices that you've made for us and for our soon-to-be family of 3. I love you and looking forward to this day with you. We'll celebrate this God-given blessings and provision. Thank you. Love you.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.
Thank you! Welcome!
Kayang gumawa ng
Kabir. Miss Bam. Miss Bam. Miss Bam. Miss Bam.
memorya ko man ay wala na.
I'm forever thankful for everything that you've done for us, for our relationship, and for our families, for our friends, and for our loved ones. These all people are truly a testament of how God's grace and loving is very fruitful in our lives as a couple. Thank you everyone for sharing these moments with us.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, hiwaga mong dala.
Together, we will build a life full of love, laughter, and wonder. Every day, we'll find new reasons to love each other and the world we're creating. Dee, I love you forever and always.